Hi, today I've got the Lenovo TAB M8 and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just I set up my face recognition and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock option works correct. We just unlock the device just in a couple of seconds. It just worked normally and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. You can try this unlock method, but don't forget that the face unlock is less secure than the passcode or PIN code unlock methods. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.